This is Johnny Jones, your AFGE Local 1040 Treasurer. Just coming out to talk to you guys today about the reminder that we only have until December the 9th to make our healthcare selections under the upcoming, we have the open season ongoing, and making sure that everybody knows exactly what they want and what they need, and make sure that they have the right coverage for them and their families. So the first thing I'm going to do just real briefly is we're going to go over the comparison tool that we have, and I've got that pulled up here. So just bear with me 1 second. We're going to pull it. All right, everybody, now that I've got that pulled up, I'm on the OPM. If you see the top here, opm.gov/healthcare/insurance, the healthcare plan. We'll try to get the link of this into the video in the bottom, so that way everybody can hit the link from their smartphones. We'll put it out on the Facebook groups and stuff like that. So what we have here is this is the comparison tool. I know that a lot of people haven't had a chance to do it, but you only have 6 days left. This is very important. I'm going to keep the video short, but you're going to put in your zip code, which I have up here, and you're going to go down. I'm an active federal employee, and you're going to get bi-weekly, and then you're going to go down. You can hit your current plan, but for me, I'll use myself as an example. I have GEHA, which is 31, which is a standard, and we'll hit search. And it's going to pull up all the different kind of plans that you would like. Now it says you may only select 3 plans to compare at once. So like right now, you can it kind of gives you a overlay of what we have. So like for my plan, it's $214.30 per pay period. There's a $30 copay to go to the primary office visit. You have your specialist visit up here, and mine's $35. After my deductible of $700 for the family, or $300, $350 for the individual. Like if I have to have surgery, it's going to be 15% out of pocket. And then there's no special referrals to see specialists because it's a PPO. And then what you do is you just click on these little tabs here, so you can hit yours. Let's go down to we'll just click 3 random similar like plans. Let's see, we have Blue Cross. Everybody typically, a lot of people have Blue Cross Basic, and let's do let's just do, where's the other one at? Let's see, let's just grab the mail handler standard, which is somewhat comparable to the ones that I'm going to be comparison. And then you'll scroll down and hit compare plans. And so now it's going to pull the 3 of them up so you can kind of see side by side. So I highly encourage everybody to do this. And then when you go down, there's the brochure link on the top. Those are the links that you need to click. You'll see it right here. Like you hit the brochure link and it'll download the brochure, so that way you can kind of see if your medications are going to be covered. But when you look at the biweekly premium, it's all here in the bottom. So if you were comparing dollar for dollar, so GEHA standard is $214.30. Blue Cross Basic is $303.61, and the mail handler standard value, which is similar to the GEHA plan, which is $194. So it's like $20 less. The deductible, $700. Let's just look at the mail handlers and the GEHA. $700 deductible, $700 deductible. Okay, that's pretty comparable. It's pretty much about the same coverage, all the way down. It's just, if you look at it, all this is co-payments waived, member pays nothing. So you go through this, these 2 plans are extremely close to each other. Now, the only difference you get into is, and this is where it gets a little tricky, is when you get into some of these specialty drugs and stuff of that nature, which is the hard part of doing these tools, because when you're talking to somebody, they all have differences in what their needs are. And then, of course, Blue Cross is a little bit higher, but everything is real standard, like co-payments. You just pay $45 or $75. But both of these plans, at least the mail handler plan and the GEHA, are very, very, very similar. And in fact, it's so similar, I need to probably check it out for myself, just to let you know. But I just wanted to show you this tool here. Everybody, this is important. This is the number one thing coming out of your paycheck. It's typically more than your taxes, more than anything else that you're going to be paying out of your paycheck. So I highly encourage you to spend the time. It's going to probably take an hour or two of research, but make sure that you get the right one, because if you don't do this, you're going to make a big mistake. You're going to be extremely upset. So hopefully hit like and subscribe to the videos, and we're going to put the link in the bottom in the comments. So you should be able to find the link in this video here on YouTube. So I'm going to say you signed out from Jaguar Studios here in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm Johnny Jones, and hope to see you out there in the field.